This is the elevator at the Residence Inn by Marriott in North Tampa, Florida. Let's go to 3. There's no certificate in this elevator. And it's looks like a Dover, Miami with the ThyssenKrupp seal. Here we are at 3. Here's a little look at the hotel corridor. Let's call it back down. You can kind of see up the shaft actually. Door's shutting on me. But anyway, you can see a little bit. And actually I can turn on my flash. Now you get a better view, and you can see the Dover blue at the top of the shaft. Anyway, let's go down to 1. Also notice how something is up with this panel. The star is actually like pushed in, as you can see. It looks like the button is on sideways, or at least something below the button. So as you can see, it's crooked. And that's some fast leveling. Let's go to 3. My camera went out of focus. And let's end it down at 1. Here is your emergency phone. And then the cab view. So, before we end the video, here's a little look up the shaft. Again, you can see the Dover blue. Anyway, there it goes. And that'll be it.